Solutions for underwater concrete repairs. Over 70% of the world is covered by water. Coastal plants, reservoirs, water treatment plants, and many other facilities have submerged concrete structures that will occasionally have need of repairs and maintenance that must be made underwater. Although underwater applications are rare, we have the materials and procedures to make them practical. Conventional underwater concrete repairs rely mostly on hydraulic concrete with special additives. Belzona has polymeric concrete repair products with outstanding properties retained permanently even when applied underwater. Underwater repairs require user-friendly products so divers can maneuver and apply them over the problem areas. These easy-to-apply Belzona products negate the need for expensive application equipment. This in turn makes the Belzona solution an extremely cost-effective alternative. If your concrete structures need attention and cannot be drained for access or brought to the surface, your Belzona consultant can show you how to address the problem. Shouldn't Belzona be a part of your maintenance team?